That you get it.
It's Gary, aye. How you doing?
I'm not right here.
What you been up to, mate?
Not a lot, mate. Not a lot.
Aye.
Doing a bit bowling and mucking about.
Aye.
Just enjoying retirement, mate.
Aye. I've got a bit of bad news. I woke up the other morning. Don't know how to tell you, mate, but my dick wasn't there. I'm serious, mate. What? I'm phoning you for advice on it, mate. You know what I mean? We've been pals for years. We've been pals for years. What can I do? Can I get a transplant? Oh, tell me what to do, man.
You should have said, hey, Gary, you're talking to.
Aye. Gary. It's Gary. Eh?
Have you the right number, mate?
No. It's Gary. Dickless Gary.
Ridiculous, Gary.
Dickless. Ridiculous Gary.
Ridiculous, Gary.
Aye.
Ridiculous, Gary.
Aye.
Aye.
We nae buzz.
Hey, boys. My boys are.
Just a wee vagina. I woke up with nae buzz and my name's Gary.